What's that sound? What's that sound, mama? What's that sound? Honey, it's grass growing, it's the wind blowing, it's time going its merry way, it's the end of another day. What's that sound, Daddy? What's that sound? Son, it's bones extending, it's brothers lending, it's time bending to meet new beginnings, it's the stretch of never ending. What's that sound, Grandpa? What's that sound? Child, that's rooster crowing, that's grandma sewing, it's the flowing of truth seeking a place to be, it's the sound of being free. What's that sound, Grandma? What's that sound? Oh, that? Well, let me tell you. It's hearts breaking, it's minds shaping, it's the aching of eyes filled with tears, it's the crinkle of forgotten years. It's living alone, it's finding a home, it's struggle and it's strife. Son, that sound is just a sound of life.